Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to solve internet not working or loading problem on Instagram. Let's see how to solve this problem. Following all steps, do not skip. Tap on hold Instagram. Click on app info. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode. Check internet connection on your phone. Go to Play Store. Click on search bar. Click on search bar, search Instagram. Search Instagram. Update Instagram app. Go to Instagram. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.